Now this is set number 30/1/2. This paper has come in March 2023. There are MCQ questions. Its first question is, in what ratio does x-axis divide the line segment joining the points A 3, 6 and B -12, -3? There are four options. So it is x-axis, so y coordinate is 0 here. So if I draw a line, this is AB, its coordinate is 3, 6, its coordinate is -12, -3, and let this point is P, its coordinates are x and 0. This point divides AB in the ratio lambda into 1. I think you all can do it. 0 is equal to lambda into -3 plus 1 into 6 upon lambda plus 1. Here you will be able to find the value of lambda. That will come out to be 2. So P divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So D is the option. Now question number 2. In the given figure, PQ is tangent to the circle centered at O. If angle AOB is 95 degree, then measure of angle ABQ will be, there are four options. Now this figure is given to you. Now this angle is 95 degree. You have to find this angle X. And you know these two angles are equal. Because angle opposite to equal sides are equal. आप पहले ये दोनों एंगल फाइंड कर लोगे. 180 में से 95 माइनस करोगे तो आपके पास आ जाएगा 85. इट मीन्स इन दोनों का सम 85 के इक्वल होगा. सिंस दीज टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल, सो ईच एंगल will be equal to 42.5 degree. Now OB is perpendicular to PQ. It means why this is perpendicular on this? Because radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. It means 1 plus x is 90 degree. If angle 1 is 42.5 degree, then x is equal to 47.5 degree. So this is what I have written here. So you can check it, and its answer is 47.5 degree. It means A is the option. Now this is its third question is, if 2 tan A is equal to 3, then find the value of this. And there are again four options. So how you will do it? Divide numerator and denominator by cos A, and you will have 4 tan A plus 3 upon 4 tan A minus 3, and value of tan A is 3/2. Substitute that value, you will get 3. So C is the option. Now in the fourth question, in a group of 20 people, 5 cannot swim. If one person is selected at random, then the probability that he or she can swim is, again there are four options. So probability person cannot swim. So there are total 20 people, 5 cannot swim. So probability will be 5 upon 20, that is 1/4. And the probability person can swim, that is 1 minus 1/4, that is 3/4. So answer is A. Now fifth question, the distribution gives the marks obtained by 80 students on a test. Now marks less than 10, less than 20, this is given to you. Number of students, that is 3, 12, 27, 57, 75, 80. The model class of this distribution is, there are four options. We have to find the model class. So here I have written class, here it is cumulative frequency. So write frequency. Highest frequency is 30. And 30 के सामने कौन सी क्लास आई? 30 to 40. So that is the model class. So answer is C. Now the sixth question, the curved surface area of a cone having height 24 centimeter and radius 7 centimeter is, again there are four options. So what is the formula for curved surface area of a cone? That is pi r L. So L, you don't have L, find the value of L. That will come out to be 25, and just substitute the value. You will get 550 centimeter square. So C is the answer. Now the seventh question, the end point of a diameter of a circle are 2, 4 and -3, -1. The radius of the circle is, there are four options. Now end points of diameter are given, and this is the center. So find its length. डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला आप लगा लोगे और उसका हाफ कर लोगे तो आपके पास रेडियस आ जाएगा. सो मैंने यहाँ पर डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला लगा लिया, और डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला आपके पास आ जाएगा 5√2, एंड इसका हाफ करोगे, रेडियस इज इक्वल टू 5√2 अपॉन 2, दैट इज 5/2√2. सो C is the option. Now eighth question, which of the following is a quadratic polynomial with zeros 5/3 and 0? Now see here, there are four options. आप किस ऑप्शन में आप देखोगे कि इसके जीरोस 5/3 एंड 0 आ रहे हैं। यहाँ पर अगर ये पॉलिनोमियल होता है तो इसके एक 0 आएगा 0, दूसरा इसका आएगा 5/3, यहाँ पर 0 आएगा और 5 आएगा, यहाँ पर प्लस माइनस रूट 5/3 आएगा, यहाँ पर आपका 0 आएगा। तो एक यही बनता है आपका क्वाड्रेटिक जिसमें आपका जीरोज आ रहे हैं 0 एंड 5/3। सो ए इज द ऑप्शन। Now the ninth question is, the graph of y is equal to px is given for a polynomial px. The number of zeros of px from the graph is, the number of zeros are, so this graph touch x-axis at one point. So there are number of zeros are 1. So B is the option. Now 10th question, the value of k for which pair of equations has infinitely many solutions. आपको k की वैल्यू बतानी है जिसके लिए इसके इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशंस हो। तो इसका जो आंसर आता है वो बी आता है, इट डजंट एग्जिस्ट। के की ऐसी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है जिसके लिए इसके इनफाइनाइटली मैनी सॉल्यूशंस हो। तो अब आपके पास ये दोनों इक्वेशंस हैं। So one equation is kx minus y minus 2 is 0, the other is 6x minus 2y minus 3 is 0. So अगर हम इसके infinitely many solutions करते हैं then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So what we have seen, k by 6 is equal to 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Now this is not equal to this. It means this is not possible. So so it's k doesn't have any value for which it has infinitely many solutions. So doesn't exist. Value of k doesn't exist. So B is the solution. Now 11th question. If A, B, C form an AP with common difference D, then the value of A minus 2B minus C is equal to, there are 4 options. Now A, B, C form an AP. So this is the first term. This is the second term. So A2 is B. This is the third term. A3 is C. So A2 is B means A plus D is B. A plus 2D is C. Now we have the value A, value of B is this, value of C is this. We are to find the value of A minus 2B minus C. Just substitute the values. You will get, now instead of A, it is A. Instead of B, write A plus D. Instead of C, write A plus 2D. Solve this, you will get minus 2A minus 4D. That is C is the option. Now the 12th question. If the value of each observation of statistical data is increased by 3, then the mean of the data is, there are 4 options. It remains unchanged, it increased by 3, increases by 6, increases by 3n. So let the data be a1, a2 up to an. So mean is equal to a1 plus a2 up to an upon n. If 3 is increased in each observation, so we have the data a1 plus 3, a2 plus 3 up to an plus 3. Now find the mean. Mean is equal to a1 plus 3 plus a2 plus 3 up to an plus 3 upon n. It means this can be written as a1 plus a2 up to an plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 up to n times is equal to 3n upon n. Now this can be written as a1 plus a2 up to an upon n plus 3n upon n, and n is cancelled, and this is equal to x bar plus 3. So B is the option. If each observation is increased by 3, then mean of the data is increased by 3. Now 13th question. Probability of happening of an event is denoted by P, and the probability of non-happening of an event is denoted by Q. Relation between P and Q is, there are 4 options. It's an easy question. Probability of happening an event is P. Probability of non-happening an event is denoted by Q. So P plus Q is equal to 1. So A is the option. Now 14th question. A girl calculates that the probability of her winning the first prize in a lottery is 0.08. If 6,000 tickets were sold, how many tickets has she bought? Now there are 4 options. Now probability of winning the first prize is 0.08. It means 8 by 100. Cut the numbers, you will have 2 by 25. So probability of winning the first prize is 2 by 25. So tickets bought is equal to 2 by 25 into 6,000. That is 480. Option is C. So C is the right option. Now 15th question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial, then 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta is equal to, there are 4 options. Let alpha beta are the zeros of this polynomial. Then alpha plus beta is minus b by a, that is minus 1. Alpha beta is equal to minus 1. We have to find the value of 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta. So this is equal to beta plus alpha upon alpha beta. So, its value is minus 1. Value of alpha beta is minus 1. Minus minus cancel, you will have 1. So A is the option. Now the 16th question is the least positive value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx minus 4 is equal to 0 has rational roots. There are 4 options here. We have to find the value of k for which this has rational roots. Now value of k can be this, value of k can be this, value of k can be this, value of k can be this. So it's better if you substitute these values here and check whether it has rational roots. So I'm going to do that. First I'm going to check this value and then I'm going to check the other one. But first I'll check this value. Now quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx minus 4 is equal to 0. Let k is equal to 2. It means 2x square plus 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. I'm going to find the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac here comes out to be 36. If it is a perfect square of some number, then it has a rational roots. Now listen again, अगर b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac की वैल्यू ऐसी आ जाती है जो एक परफेक्ट स्क्वायर बनता है किसी नंबर का, तो इसके रैशनल रूट्स होते हैं. सिमिलरली चेक फॉर k इज इक्वल टू माइनस 2 एंड इट इज 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x माइनस 4 इज इक्वल टू 0. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. अगेन दिस इज a perfect square of number 6, so it has rational roots. Now let me check for k is equal to 2 root 2 and 2x square minus 2 root 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. Find the value of b square minus 4ac. It will come out to be 40. Now this is not a perfect square. So it is not a perfect square. So it doesn't have rational roots. Similarly, if I check for minus 2 root 2 and if I check for root 2, it won't come out to be a perfect square. So answer is C plus minus 2. So C is the option. आप ऐसा भी कर सकते हो कि आप प्रॉपर फॉर्मूला लगाइए x इज इक्वल टू माइनस बी प्लस माइनस रूट बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. तो वो फार्मूला लगाइए, वैल्यू पुट करिए और रूट्स निकालने की कोशिश कीजिए, तो आपका उससे भी आपको पता चल जाएगा कौन सी वैल्यूज पे इसके रैशनल रूट्स आएंगे. नाउ 17 क्वेश्चन. 5 by 8 sec square 60 degree minus tan square 60 degree plus cos square 45 degree. This is equal to, there are 4 options. Just substitute the values and calculate it. You will get 0. So C is the option. Now the 18th question. Curved surface area of a cylinder of height 5 cm is 94.2 cm square. Radius of the cylinder is, there are 4 options. Now curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. It means 2 pi RH is given 94.2. So h is equal to 5 centimeter. This is again given. We have to find the value of r. Just substitute the values. After cutting the numbers, you will get 3. So B is the option. Now assertion reason type questions. In question 19 and 20, assertion A statement is followed by a statement of reason. Select the correct option out of the following. A. Both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B. Both assertion A and reason R are true and reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. C. Assertion A is true and reason R is false. D. Assertion A is false and reason R is true. Now the 19th question. Assertion A. The perimeter of triangle ABC is a rational number. Reason R. The sum of the squares of two rational numbers is always irrational. This figure is given to us. Now this side is 2 cm and this side is 3 cm. By Pythagoras, it will come out to be root 13. Now see, the sum of the squares of two rational numbers is always a rational number. Here, sum of squares of two rational numbers is a rational number. So this reason is true. This Reason R is true. Sum of squares of two rational number is a rational number. So this reason is true. And now let me find the perimeter of triangle ABC. Is it a rational number? Now let me find the perimeter of triangle ABC. Now this AC is root 13. If I find the perimeter of this triangle, this is 2 plus 3 plus root 13. That is 5 plus root 13. And that is an irrational number. So perimeter of triangle ABC is a irrational number. So assertion A is false. So perimeter is 5 plus root 3, which is an irrational number. So assertion A is false. Reason R is true. So D is the option. Now the 20th question. Assertion A. Point P02 is the point of intersection of y-axis with the line 3x plus 2y is equal to 4. Now here x is 0, y is 2. If you substitute x 0 and y 2, you will see this point satisfies this line. It means this is the point of intersection of y-axis with the line this. So this is a true statement. And this point is on y-axis. And this point satisfies this line. It means this is the point of intersection of y-axis with the line this. Now reason R. The distance of the point P02 from x-axis is 2 units. This is a true statement. So this is a true statement and this is a true statement. Both the statements are true. But this statement is not the correct explanation of this assertion A. So its option is B. So this is what I have written here. So this is what I have written here. Assertion A is true, reason R is true, but reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. So B is the option. Now section B. This section comprises of very short answers type questions. Every question is of 2 marks. Now 21st question. Find the least number which when divided by 12, 16 and 24 leaves the remainder 7 in each case. What you are going to do? You are going to find the LCM of 12, 16 and 24. And that will come out to be 48. So add 7 in this 48. That is the required number. Now 22nd. A bag contains 4 red, 3 blue and 2 yellow balls. One ball is drawn at random from the bag. Find the probability that the drawn ball is red and it is yellow. So total number of balls are 4 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 9. So probability of drawing red ball is 4 by 9. Probability of drawing yellow ball is 2 by 9. Now 23rd question, A part. Solve the pair of equations x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 7 graphically. So I have drawn this graphically and they will intersect at this point 5, 7. So that is the solution. 23rd question, B part. Using graphical method, find whether pair of equations x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 3 is consistent or not. So I have drawn the graph here and both the lines intersect at this point 0, minus 3. So pair of equations is consistent as they intersect each other at point 0, minus 3. 0, minus 3 is the solution of both the equations and so the pair of equations is consistent. Now 24th question, A part. If sin theta plus cos theta is root 3, then find the value of sin theta dot cos theta. Now sin theta plus cos theta is root 3. Squaring both sides, I'll have sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to root 3 whole square. Now write the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 3. This is equal to 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is 3. 2 sin theta cos theta is 3 minus 1. Sin theta cos theta is 2 upon 2, that is 1. So sin theta dot cos theta is 1. That is the answer. Now 24th question, B part. If sin alpha is 1 by root 2 and cot beta is root 3, then find the value of cosec alpha plus cosec beta. Now sin alpha is 1 by root 2. It means cosec alpha is root 2. Now cot beta is given root 3. Write the formula. Cosec square beta minus cot square beta is 1. You know that. Instead of cot beta, write root 3. So cosec square beta minus root 3 whole square is equal to 1. Cosec square beta is equal to 1 plus 3, which is equal to 4. It means cosec beta is equal to 2. So you have to find the value of cosec alpha plus cosec beta. Just substitute the values. That is root 2 plus 2. So this is the answer, 2 plus root 2. Now question number 25. In the given figure, XZ is parallel to BC. AZ is equal to 3 cm, ZC is equal to 2 cm, BM is equal to 3 cm and MC is equal to 5 cm. Find the length of XY. Now this figure is given to us. ABC is a triangle in which AZ is 3 cm, ZC is 2 cm and this is 3 cm, this is 5 cm. I am to find the value of XY. Now this line XZ is parallel to BC. So AXZ और ABC इन दोनों को आप सिमिलर प्रूव करोगे. These two are similar triangles. This smaller one and this bigger one. इनकी साइड्स प्रोपोर्शनल हो जाएंगी. So AX upon AB is equal to AZ upon AC. AZ is 3, AC is 3 plus 2, 5. It means AX by AB is 3 by 5. After that, triangle AXY and triangle ABM, they are similar triangles. Now AX by AB is 3 by 5. So instead of AX by AB, write 3 by 5. This is equal to XY, BM is given 3. Then value of XY is 3 by 5 into 3, that is 9 by 5. So that is the answer. Now section C. This section comprises of short answer type questions. 26th question. The center of a circle is 2a, a minus 7. Find the value of a if the circle passes through the point 11 minus 9. Radius of the circle is 5 root 2 centimeter. Now this is the circle, this is the center, this is the point and this radius is 5 root 2. And write distance formula for this line OP and this is equal to 5 root 2. And then we will be able to find the value of A. Now O is 2A, A minus 7, P is 11 minus 9, radius is 5 root 2. OP is 5 root 2. Now apply distance formula on OP. So this is the distance formula which is equal to 5 root 2. So squaring both sides, you will have 2A minus 11 whole square plus A plus 2 whole square is equal to 5 root 2 whole square. Now write the identity here, write the identity here and this is equal to 50. Now quadratic becomes 5a square minus 40a plus 75 is equal to 0. Divide by 5, you will have a square minus 8a plus 15 is equal to 0. Now quadratic is a square minus 8a plus 15 is equal to 0. Split the middle term, you will have a square minus 5a minus 3a plus 15 is equal to 0. Factors becomes a minus 5, a minus 3 is equal to 0. It means a is equal to 5, a is equal to 3. When a is 5, center becomes 10 minus 2. When a is 3, center becomes 6 minus 4. So that is the answer. Now 27a. Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with center O from an external point T. Prove that PTQ is equal to 2 times OPQ. Now this figure is given to you and you are to prove PTQ, which I have written as angle 1. This is equal to 2 times OPQ. OPQ, I have written angle this 2. So we are to prove angle 1 is equal to 2 times angle 2. Now PT is tangent and QT is tangent. Tangents drawn from an external point to the circle are of equal length. So TQ is equal to TP. It means angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Now you see, we have three things. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Angle 3 is equal to angle 4. The third thing is OP is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. So OP is perpendicular to PT. It means angle 2 is plus angle 4 is equal to 90 degree. From these three things, we will be able to find angle 1 is equal to 2 times angle 2. Now we know angle 2 plus angle 4 is 90 degree. Angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Instead of 3 angle, write angle 4. So angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 4 is 180 degree. Angle 1 plus 2 times angle 4 is 180 degree. Angle 1 plus 2 times angle 4 can be written as 90 degree minus angle 2. So that is equal to 180 degree. Angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 2 times angle 2 is 180 degree. Angle 1 minus 2 times angle 2 is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 2 times angle 2. It means PTQ is equal to 2 times angle OPQ. Now 27th question. In the given figure, a circle is inscribed in the quadrilateral ABCD in which angle B is equal to 90 degree. If AD is 17 centimeter, AB is 20 centimeter and DS is 3 centimeter, then find the radius of the circle. Now you see here. Now this DS is given 3 centimeter. It means DS is 3 centimeter. It means RD is 3 centimeter. This length is given 17 centimeter. If this is 3, it means this length AR is 14 centimeter. If this is 14 centimeter, it means this is 14 centimeter. This whole length is given AB is 20 centimeter. If this is 14 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Now tangent drawn from an external point B to the circle are of equal length. If this is 6 centimeter, it means this is 6 centimeter. Now this is 90 degree. This is given to us. This angle is 90 degree because radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. Similarly, this angle is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree. So all these angles are of 90 degree. And this length is equal to this length. So this is a square. If this is a square, all the sides are equal. If this is 6 centimeter, it means radius is 6 centimeter. It means radius is 6 centimeter. This is what we want to prove. And this is what I have written here. So you can pause my video and you can check it yourself. Now 28th question. Half of the difference between two numbers is 2. The sum of the greater number and the twice the smaller number is 13. Find the number. Suppose the bigger number is x, smaller number is y. So according to question, half of the difference of bigger number minus smaller number is equal to 2. So x minus y is equal to 4. This is one equation. The second equation says the sum of the greater number and the twice the smaller number is 13. Now the second equation is the sum of the greater number and twice the smaller number is equal to 13. So x plus 2y is equal to 13. Now I have two equations. So by elimination method, the numbers are 3, 7 and 3. You can do it. Now 29th question A part. A room is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a hemispherical dome. The base radius of hemisphere is 1/2 of the height of the cylindrical part. Find the total height of the room if it contains 1408 upon 21 meter cube of air. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Now what it says, a room is in the form of a cylinder. It is surmounted by a hemisphere. Let its height of the cylinder is h. And the radius of this hemisphere is half of this height, which is h by 2. And if this is h by 2, then this height is h by 2. If this radius is h by 2, then this radius is h by 2. Total height of this room is h plus h by 2. That is 3h by 2. This is the figure. And I have written all the dimensions here. Again, listen. This is h. This is h by 2. This is h by 2. This is h by 2. The total height is h plus h by 2. That is 3h by 2. Now this room contains 1408 upon 21 meter cube of air. It means we can take this as a volume of the room. So height of the cylinder is h, radius of the hemisphere is r, that is h by 2. Total height of the room is h plus h by 2, that is 3h by 2. Now volume is equal to pi r square h. This is the volume of cylinder plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. This is the volume of the hemisphere. So 1408 upon 21 is equal to pi. Instead of r, write h by 2 whole square plus into h plus 2 by 3 pi h by 2 whole cube. Now this is equal to 1408 upon 21. Take pi common, you will have this in the bracket. After solving this, you will get h cube is equal to 64. It means height is equal to 4. So total height is equal to h plus h by 2, that is 3h by 2. Instead of h, write 4 meter. You will have 6 meter. Now its B part is An empty cone is of radius 3 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. Ice cream is filled in it so that lower part of the cone, which is 1/6 of the volume of the cone, is unfilled, but hemisphere is formed on the top. Find the volume of the ice cream. Now take pi is equal to 3.14. Now volume of the cone is 1 by 3 pi r square, that is equal to 36 pi. 1/6 of the volume of the cone is 6 pi, that is unfilled. So volume of the remaining part is 36 pi minus 6 pi, that is 30 pi. Now volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So volume of the hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So that will be 18 pi. So volume of the ice cream is 30 pi plus 18 pi, that is 48 pi. 48 into 3.14, that is 150.7 centimeter cube. So that is the volume of the ice cream. Now 30th question. Prove that root 5 is an irrational number. Let us assume root 5 is a rational number. Then there exists positive integer p and q such that root 5 is equal to p by q, where p and q are co-primes and q is not equal to 0. What is the meaning of co-prime? It means HCF of PQ is 1. Now squaring both sides, we will have 5 is equal to p square by q square. Now cross multiply it. You will have 5q square is equal to p square. It means 5 divides p square. It means 5 divides p. Now if 5 divides p, it means p is equal to 5r, where r is an integer. Squaring both sides, we will have p square is equal to 25r square. So instead of p square, write 5q square. So instead of p square, write 5q square. This is equal to 25r square. It means q square is equal to 5r square. It means 5 divides q square. It means 5 divides q. So by 1 and 2, p and q have at least 5 as a common factor. But we know HCF of PQ is 1. So our supposition is wrong. Root 5 is an irrational number. Now 31st question. Prove that cosec A minus sin A, sec A minus cos A is equal to 1 over cot A plus tan A. Now this is left hand side, this is right hand side. So first I'll take left hand side. Left hand side, cosec A minus sin A, sec A minus cos A. Change cosec A into 1 by sin A, sec A as 1 by cos A. I'll have 1 minus sin square A upon sin A, 1 minus cos square A upon cos A. This is equal to cos square A upon sin A, sin square A upon cos A. When after cutting the numbers, you will have cos A, sin A. Now take the right hand side, 1 over cot A plus tan A. Change cot A into cos A by sin A, tan A into sin A by cos A. Take the LCM. You will have 1 upon cos square A plus sin square A upon sin A cos A. This is equal to 1 upon 1 over sin A cos A. That is equal to sin A cos A. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now section D. This section comprises of long answer type questions of 5 marks each. Its 32nd question is, a ladder set against a wall at an angle of 45 degree to the ground. If the foot of the ladder is pulled away from the wall through a distance of 4 meters, its top slides a distance of 3 meters down the wall, making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. Find the final height of the top of the ladder from the ground and length of the ladder. Now I think you all can make this figure. Now this is the ladder. BE is the ladder. Originally it is placed with this wall and it makes an angle of 45 degree with this ground. और इस ladder को pull किया गया 4 मीटर और ये अब वॉल के भी यहाँ पर आ जाएगी और दिस मेक्स एन एंगल ऑफ 30 डिग्री विद द ग्राउंड. दिस लेंथ इज 4 मीटर और यहाँ से ये जो नीचे आई वॉल के पुल करने से जो लैडर आपकी स्लाइड की नहीं यहाँ तक, तो वो 3 मीटर था. आपको ये डिस्टेंस h बताना है और लेंथ ऑफ द लैडर बतानी है. Now you have two right angle triangles. One is EBC, the other one is ADC. So I have discussed here both the triangles. Now in triangle, let this length is h, this is 3 and this whole is h plus 3. This is x, this is 4, this whole is x plus 4. Let the length of the ladder is L. Now in triangle EBC, h plus 3 upon x is equal to tan 45 degree. It means h plus 3 is equal to x. Now in triangle ADC, h upon 4 plus x is equal to tan 30. It means h upon x plus 4 is equal to 1 upon root 3. It means root 3h is equal to x plus 4. Now I have two equations. One is this and one is this. यहाँ से आप h की वैल्यू निकाल लो और उस h की वैल्यू को आप यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूट कर दो और इसको सॉल्व करोगे. You will find the value of x. So x will come out to be 7 root 3 plus 13 upon 2. Now substitute this value in h is equal to x minus 3. You will get the value of h, which is 7 root 3 plus 7 upon 2. Now find the length of the ladder, which is L. So AC by AD is equal to sin 30 degree, h by L is equal to 1 by 2, L is equal to 2h. So value of L will be, length of L will be 7 root 3 plus 1 in the bracket. So that is the answer. Now question number 33, A part. The ratio of the 11th term to 17th term of an AP is 3:4. Find the ratio of 5th term to 21st term of the same AP. Also find the ratio of the sum of first 5 terms to that of first 21 terms. Now it is given A11 by A17 is equal to 3/4. A11 means A plus 10D upon A plus 16D is equal to 3/4. Cross multiply it, you will get A is equal to 8D. Now you are to find the ratio of 5th term to 21st term. Now A5 upon A21. This is equal to A plus 4D upon A plus 20D. Instead of A, write 8D. So you will have 12D upon 28D. Cut the numbers, you will have 3/7. So A5 ratio A21 is 3:7. Now you are to find the ratio of sum of first 5 terms to sum of first 21 terms. So S5 is equal to 5/2, 2A plus 5 minus 1D upon 21/2, 2A plus 21 minus 1D. So this is equal to 5/2 into 2/21, 2A plus 4D upon 2A plus 20D. Instead of A, write 8D. So you will have 5/21 is in the bracket 2 into 8D plus 4D upon 2 into 8D plus 20D. This is equal to 5/21 into 20D upon 36D. And just cut the numbers, you will have 25 upon 189. So ratio between the sum of first 5 terms to sum of first 21 terms is 25:189. Now 33rd question, B part. 250 logs are stacked in the following manner. 22 logs in the bottom row, 21 logs in the next row, 20 in the row next to it, and so on, as shown by the example. In how many rows are the 250 logs placed and how many logs are there in the top row? Now you will see. So you will have an AP 22, 21, 20 onward. This is an AP. Total number of logs are 250. So Sn is equal to 250. Write the formula for Sn, that is n/2 2a plus n minus 1d. Substitute the values. Here a is 22 and d is -1 and Sn is 250. After substituting the values and after calculating it, you will have 500 is equal to 45n minus n square. Now you have an quadratic. Now the quadratic is n square minus 45n plus 500 is equal to 0. Now factorize it. Split the middle term. You will have factors n minus 25, n minus 20 is equal to 0. It means n is equal to 25, n is equal to 20. If n is equal to 25, if I find a25, it will come out to be -2, which is not possible. So find a25 which is -2 and which is not possible. Then find a20 which is equal to 3. It means there are 3 logs in the top row. Now 34th question A part. PA, QB and RC are perpendicular to AC. If AP is X, QB is Z, RC is Y, AB is A and BC is B, then prove that 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. This figure is given to us. Now all these lengths are given to us. AP is X, AB is A, BC is B, RC is Y and QB is Z. Now first you take two triangles ACP and BCQ. These two triangles are similar, and if they are similar, their sides are proportional. So AC by BC is equal to AP by BQ. Now AC is A plus B, BC is B, AP is X, BQ is Z. Find the value of 1 by X, that is B by A plus B into 1 by Z. Now take the triangle ACR and ABQ. Both these triangles are similar. Their sides are proportional. So AC by AB is equal to CR by BQ. AC is A plus B upon A is equal to Y upon Z. Then find the value of 1 by Y, that is equal to A upon A plus B into 1 by Z. Now I have the value 1 by X, I have the value 1 by A. So I have two values, 1 by X and 1 by Y. Add these two values, you will get the result. On the next page I have done that. Now 1 by X is this, 1 by Y is this. Add these two results and you will get 1 by Z. So 1 by X plus 1 by Y is equal to 1 by Z. Now 34th question B part. In the given figure, CD and RS are respectively the medians of triangle ABC and PQR. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR, then prove that triangle ADC is similar to triangle PSR, and second, AD into PR is equal to AC into PS. Now this figure is given to us. Now this is given to us. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. This is given to us. It means their sides are proportional and their angles are equal. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. And angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. What else is given to us? CD is the median. So D is the midpoint. Similarly, RS is the median. It means S is the midpoint of PQ. It means AB can be written as 2 times AD and PS can be written as 2 times, PQ is written as 2 times PS. So this is what I have written here. Now write AB upon PQ is equal to AC upon PR. AB can be written as 2 times AD and PQ can be written as 2 times PS is equal to AC by AR. 2 and 2 cancelled. So I have AD upon PS is equal to AC upon PR. Now we have AD upon PS is equal to AC upon PR. Moreover, angle A is equal to angle P. This is already given to us. So it means this triangle and this triangle is similar. And this is what we want to prove. And their sides are proportional. वहाँ से क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो आपके पास ये सेकेंड रिजल्ट भी आ जाएगा. Now AD upon PS is equal to AC upon PR and angle A is equal to P. So triangle ADC is similar to angle PSR. So first result is proved. And AD by PS is equal to AC by PR. Cross multiply it, you will get the second result. 35th question. A chord of a circle of radius 14 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment of the circle. Also find the area of the major segment of the circle. Now I have made this figure here. Now this is the minor segment and this is the major segment. I am to find the area of the minor segment. Join OA and OB. इट मीन्स आप इस सेक्टर में से अगर आप इस ट्राइंगल का एरिया माइनस करते हो तो माइनर सेगमेंट का आ जाएगा, और एरिया ऑफ ए सर्कल में से अगर माइनर सेगमेंट का माइनस करोगे तो एरिया ऑफ द मेजर सेगमेंट आ जाता है. I think you all know about it. Now this angle is 60 degree, theta is 60 degree and R here is 14 centimeter. So Now theta here is 60 degree, r here is 14 centimeter. Area of the minor segment is area of the sector OAPB minus area of the equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle because now here see here. This is an equilateral triangle. This angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree. So this is an equilateral triangle. So area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. Area of sector is theta by 360 pi r square minus root 3 by 4 side square. Just substitute the values. So this is equal to 17.9 centimeter square. So that is the area of the minor segment. Now area of the major segment is area of the circle minus area of the minor segment. So area of the circle, that is 616 minus 17.9, that is the area of the minor segment. Subtract it, you will get 598.1 centimeter square. That is the area of the major segment. Now this is case study 1, question number 36. The discus throw is an event in which an athlete attempts to throw a discus. The athlete spins anti-clockwise around 1.5 times through a circle, then releases the throw. When released, the discus travels along tangent to the circular spin orbit. Now this is a circular spin and this is the tangent line. Now in the given figure, AB is one such tangent to a circle of radius 75 centimeter. Point O is center of the circle and angle ABO is 30 degree. PQ is parallel to OA. Now this is the figure. Let me read it again. In the given figure, AB is one such tangent. AB is one such tangent to a circle of radius 75 centimeter. Point O is the center of the circle and ABO is 30 degree. And PQ is parallel to OA. So this figure is given to us. Based on the above information, find the length of AB. You have to find the length of this AB. Find the length of OB. You have to find the length of this OB. And find the length of AP or find the length of PQ. These are the 4 questions you have to answer. I have made the small figure here. Now OA is perpendicular on AB because radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. We know that. In triangle OAB, now this is a right angle triangle and OA is 75 degree. I am to find the length of this AB. So OA upon AB is equal to tan 30 degree. So 75 upon AB is equal to 1 by root 3. So AB is 75 root 3. Now this is the answer of the first question. Now let us do the second one. Now I am to find the length of this OB. Now OA is 75 centimeter, AB is 75 root 3. Now I have this length, I have this length. So by Pythagoras, I will find the length of OB. So I have applied Pythagoras. You will have OB is equal to 150 centimeter. Now this is the third part. I have made the figure again. Find the length of AP and find the length of PQ. I am to find the length of this AP. I am to find the length of this PQ. Now listen again. Join this line AQ. Now AQ, this is 75 centimeter. So OQ is again a radius. This is equal to 75 centimeter. Now this whole angle is 90 degree. This angle is 30 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. This side is equal to this side. It means this angle is equal to this angle. It means this is an equilateral triangle in which this side is 75, this side is 75 and AQ is 75. And each angle is 60 degree. Each side is 75 centimeter. Now this whole angle is OAP is 90 degree. Because radius is perpendicular to tangent at the point of contact. This angle is 60 degree. So this angle is 30 degree. Now this line is parallel to OA. It means this angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 30 degree. Now this is a right angle triangle in which I have this one side. So if I have this side, I have one angle. I can find this line as well as this line. So in triangle APQ, AP upon AQ is equal to base upon hypotenuse. AP upon 75 centimeter is equal to cos 30 degree. So AP is equal to 75 root 3 upon 2. And PQ upon AQ, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is PQ upon 75 is equal to sin 30 degree. It means PQ is equal to 75 into 1 by 2, that is 75 by 2 centimeter. So that is the length of PQ and that is the length of AP. So that is our third part. Now case study 2, this is 37th question. While designing the school yearbook, a teacher asked the student the length and width of a particular photo is increased by X units each to double the area of the photo. The original photo is 18 cm long and 12 cm wide. Based on above information, answer the following questions. First is write the algebraic equation depicting the above information. Second is write the corresponding quadratic equation in standard form. Third is what should be the new dimensions of the enlarged photo. Now this figure is given to us. Now its third part is, can any rational value of x make the new area equal to 220 centimeter? Now its third part is, can any rational value of x make the new area equal to 220 centimeter square? Now this figure is given to us. Originally that photo is 18 centimeter long and 12 centimeter wide. It means its area is 18 into 12. यहाँ से भी x सेंटीमीटर लार्ज की गई और यहाँ से भी. It means its new dimensions are 12 plus x centimeter and it is 18 plus x centimeter. Its new area is 12 plus x into 18 plus x centimeter. Now according to question, the length and width of a particular photo is increased by x units each to double the area of the photo. So यहाँ पर हमारी algebraic equation बनेगी. So on the next page I have made it. Now length of the original photo is 18 centimeter. Width of the original photo is 12 centimeter. So its area is 18 into 12, that is 216 centimeter. Length and width of the photo is increased by x units. Now new length of the photo is 18 plus x centimeter. Width is 12 plus x centimeter. Now area is 18 plus x into 12 plus x. So this area is equal to 2 times the original area. So this is the, इसको आप सॉल्व कर लो तो आपके पास एक क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आ जाएगी, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 30x माइनस 216 इज इक्वल टू 0. इसमें मिडल टर्म स्प्लिट कर लो और इसके फैक्टर बना लो, दैट इज x प्लस 36 x minus 6 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 6, x is equal to minus 36. So this is not possible. Negative value x की नहीं हो सकती. So x is equal to 6. So अब आपका new dimensions क्या हो गई? That is width हो गई आपकी 12 plus 6 18 centimeter. Length होगी 18 plus 6 24 centimeter. Now the third part is, can any rational value of x make the new area equal to 220 centimeter square? Now length is x plus 18 centimeter, breadth is x plus 12 centimeter, area is x plus 18 into x plus 12. He says, can any rational value of x can make the new area equal to 220? Let this area is equal to 220. Now simplify it. You will get the quadratic equation x square plus 30x minus 4 equal to 0. Now find the value of b square minus 4ac. It will come out to be 916. So this comes out to be 916. Now this is not a perfect square of any number. So there is no rational value of x that make new area equal to 220 centimeter square. Now this is case study 3, 38th question. India Meteorological Department observes seasonal and annual rainfall every year in different subdivisions of our country. Now rainfall in millimeter is given here. Number of subdivisions are given here. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. First question is write the model class. Second is find the median of the given data. Third is find the mean rainfall in the season. Third is, if subdivision having at least 1000 millimeter rainfall during the monsoon season is considered good rainfall subdivision, then show how many subdivisions had good rainfall. Its first question is find its model class. How you find the model class? So आप यहाँ पर ये फ्रीक्वेंसी है, सबसे बड़ी फ्रीक्वेंसी देखोगे, उसके सामने की आपकी मॉडल क्लास आती है. इसका मतलब मॉडल क्लास इज 600 to 800. Now second question is find the median. Its or part is find the mean. On the next page I have explained median and mean. So first question is model class is 600 to 800. Now median. How you find the median? Now median is, first you write the cumulative frequency. Now this is 24. This is n. n here is 24. n by 2 is 12. 12 से बड़ी आप क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी देखते हो तो वो आपकी 13 है. इसको आप अंडरलाइन कर लेते हो तो ये आपका L आ जाता है. H आपके पास यहाँ पर 200 आ जाता है. दिस इज आपकी ये फ्रीक्वेंसी आ जाती है. इससे ऊपर आपकी ये क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी आ जाती है. राइट द फॉर्मूला एंड सब्स्टिट्यूट द, then you write the formula of median, which is L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Substitute the values, you will get 771.4. That is the answer. Now you have to find the mean. Now I have applied the direct method here. डायरेक्ट मेथड में आप पहले XI निकालते हो, फिर FI निकालते हो, फिर XI FI को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, फिर सिग्मा, मीन का फॉर्मूला होता है सिग्मा FI XI अपॉन सिग्मा FI, दैट विल कम आउट टू बी 850. सो इट्स मीन इज 850. आपका थर्ड क्वेश्चन है जहाँ पर ये कहा गया है कि जिस जगह 1000 मिलीमीटर से रेनफॉल ज़्यादा होती है उसको गुड रेनफॉल डिविजन्स कहा जाता है. तो कितने डिविजन्स हैं जहाँ पर 1000 मिलीमीटर से रेनफॉल ज़्यादा होती है? तो उसको आप काउंट करोगे 2 + 3 + 1 + 1. इट मीन्स 7 सब डिविजन्स ऐसे हैं 1000 मिलीमीटर से आपकी रेनफॉल ज़्यादा होती है. बिकॉज दिस इज 1100, दिस इज 1300, this is 1500, this is 1700. So these are the 7 subdivisions where there is good rainfall.